Now to the latest on the Lori Vallow, Chad Daybell trial. The pair's charged with murdering Vallow's two children, 7-year-old JJ and 17-year-old Tylee. The case was the focus of the Netflix documentary titled The Sins of Our Mother. For more on this about the impending trial, it's happening this year, we're joined in our newsroom by Fox 10 investigative reporter here in Phoenix, Justin Lum, who's been on this story literally from the very beginning. Justin, good to see you yet again. We bring you up here periodically for these updates. Get our viewers up to speed. When is this trial happening? And from the last I heard, it's happening together, jointly, correct?
That is correct, Andrew. First things first, let's get to that trial date, April 3rd, 2023. That remains the day, the first day of this triple murder trial for Chad Daybell and Lori Vallow. Remember, Daybell's lawyer wanted to extend it to no earlier than April 2024, so a whole another year. That was denied today. Meanwhile, let's show you video here shot by EastIdahoNews.com showing Lori Vallow leave the Fremont County Courthouse in Idaho after her hearing. You can see her with the bulletproof vest on, her hair curled, her makeup done. Much of the hearing focused on Vallow's motions. Her team asked the judge to allow her to meet with her husband and co-defendant Chad Daybell about a potential settlement offer, a plea deal, and defense strategy in general, but the judge shut that down, citing security concerns. Her lawyers also argued that she should not be declared eligible for the death penalty. No decision has been made on that yet. Prosecutors are seeking death for both Vallow and Daybell if they are convicted of murder charges in the deaths of her two children, JJ Vallow and Tylee Ryan, along with the death of Daybell's first wife, Tammy. In June of 2020, authorities discovered the children's remains in Daybell's backyard. Months after they disappeared, his first wife, Tammy, died in October of 2019 under some suspicious circumstances. He is now charged with murder and conspiracy, along with Lori Vallow. And as you know, no cameras are allowed in court for this case right now. Now, another mention about a motion, the judge denied the state's motion to sequester a potential jury for 2 months. That is a long time. So, as of now, trial will be held in Boise, Idaho this April. Andrew?
Yeah, Justin, so we know, like you said, Idaho has the death penalty. Prosecutors are going to be seeking it. Unfortunately, for people like you, reporters who follow this very closely, the decision about not having cameras in court is definitely a blow to journalists who want to cover this, or for the wider public who's been following this case, who want to see all of the twists and turns as they happen live in public. So is that set in stone, do you think?
Well, that remains to be seen. I mean, for months now, there have been no video cameras allowed, no broadcast, not even a live stream of Zoom hearings like we had during the pandemic. Is definitely tightened up because of all the publicity and all the attention this case has garnered. And yes, as you said, so many people want to see this trial actually start and happen. People not only in the country, but around the world. As of now, no cameras are allowed. We'll see what happens down the road before trial, but yeah, definitely this takes the buzz, or I should say the attention, on getting justice for the victims, especially for the families involved, away when you talk about no cameras, no broadcasts at all.
Yeah. Justin, these strategy sessions, so we know this trial is going to be happening jointly, but, you know, fill us in here and clarify, they're not being held together. They don't have no communications amongst each other as it stands, right? You know, I'm kind of confused on that part. Have they, you know, been in touch with each other, at least their lawyers?
This would be unprecedented if they were to meet. Somehow, basically, the counsel for Chad Daybell said that he took offense to the term strategy being brought up. He said right now it's all about getting ready for trial. It's all about the defense. But meanwhile, you have Lori Vallow, who, according to her lawyer, said the state offered some sort of settlement situation. And she asked her lawyer, well, what does my husband think about that? So she wants to get into a room and talk about it and see what are options as motioned by her lawyers. But I don't know if that is the same feeling being reciprocated by Chad Daybell. So this is very interesting, but the judge has already denied that meeting. It's not going to happen due to security concerns. And also, other concerns when it comes to a situation like that, having two defendants meet together face to face, two co-defendants.
Yeah. Well, it's definitely going to be something to follow. And Justin, we'll come to you for that once it starts in April of this year. Justin Lum, thanks so much for being with us. Appreciate it.
Thank you.